fancy.
300 shots, I'm on some chill shit. Soon as I come through, bro, she whippin', she on my grill, yeah. And I ain't lying, bro, you know that we don't steal shit. As soon as I come through, we holdin' like 30 bricks. We got them clocks, holding 300 shots. I ain't gon' lie, but we put you in the box. Niggas wanna try us, bro, we walk in that car lot and we shooting up that shit. We stealing money with that bank. Soon as we come through, we roll your head up like a four-bit, fucking park it. I don't give a fuck, we gon' fold you like a carpet. If a nigga try us, we gon' hit you walking by us. I don't really even care, that boy ain't passing out here. Niggas wanna come up in my dome, but I'ma send him home. Told that little boy don't even just try it, cause he on his own. He ain't waiting no game, he ain't bring no fame, he ain't bring no cash or no money, I don't get the thing. Soon as we come through, we really banging up with Glocks. Had that shit right in the back pocket on my hip, and I squeeze that trigger like that girl fucking my bitch. I don't give a hell about what you need, we get them sticks. I really hit you in your head, make that shit big. I hope put a hole in you like a donut, what you said. Soon as we come through, we gon' hit you right up with them sticks. And we got them clocks, we holding like 30 sticks. I'll lay you in your bed like I was your mama. Niggas wanna try me, bro, he can't walk in behind us. Soon as we come through, we got him rolling in Bahamas. And that nigga mad, bro, he just came in his pajamas. I'm like, what's up with these niggas, bro, we over skirting. Soon as we come through, my niggas out here corners lurking. All these niggas hoes, we told them pose, we hit him in his dome. All my niggas out here flying drones, now he on his own. I be on his fucking ass. All these niggas mad and my chopper finna blast. Hit him in his head, 30 shots ain't coming last. Niggas wanna try me, bro, I'm whipping up them bags. 30 on the mom, ayy, 30 on your dad. To that little nigga, then I threw him down them steps, ayy. I don't got no disrespect, I just got respect for my gang. That's the only thing that I really team.
Damn, fancy.